Here we go. She's off. That's ready for sandblasting. Okay, I got the hopefully necessary tools here. Definitely got lube, so I lubricated again. Get everything freed up. Definitely got the must-have tool here, rubber mallet. The way when you beat on things that are delicate, like a handle, that you don't break it. So let's take this apart and see what we got. That right there is your oiler hole. There we go. Look at that. It's a-coming. See, it's got a guide right here. Does it that way, your tailstock is always true. It's not going to wobble. There we go. Look how free that is. Now if you look, there's that guide right there I was talking about. That bore looks real nice. It just needs to be cleaned out, that's all. It's got a bunch of grit. It's got a bunch of grit in there. Just clean it out. Clean it out with some lubrication here. I'm not going to put any sand medium in here at all. I'm actually going to put a cap on it. That way no sand gets in there. Because if sand gets in here, it'll screw up your shaft, screw the interior walls in here. It'll do a lot of havoc. So I don't want to do that. I'm going to take this down to the basement right now and put the rust dissolver in. Okay. Spray this down. Ooh, that's really bad. That's gonna need a lot of work. It's okay. More of this. A little bit there. A little bit there. And that's it. They should be coming off like butter soon, but get this all cleaned up. Bring you guys back in the next episode when I disassemble the last bearing there. I'll wipe this all down, see how it looks, maybe do some buffing. I don't know. But anyways, that'll be it. If you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you would, please. Don't forget to tap the notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like seeing the latest and greatest content on YouTube. Alright, later.